In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove a low power mode shortcut to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. In the first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and tap on Control Center. There you can find two different sections. The first one names included controls, there located shortcuts that are already at the control center. And the second one is More Controls section. Here you can find all the shortcuts that you can add to the control center. So from here you can easily find a low power mode feature, and in order to add it to control center, just hit right here at that plus sign. Now it moves to included controls, and if you swipe down from the top right hand corner to open up control center, there at that position you can easily find a low power mode. You can hit on that to enable that mode. So now you see that this icon is highlighted. That means that this mode is enabled as for now, and you can hit here again to toggle it off. Also, from here you can change the order of that shortcut, so you can hold down and move this feature at any position that you want. Now it's first, and you can open up control center, and now you can easily find this feature at the very first position. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.